Any idea for a name yet?
I don't know.
Hi. You gonna come see me? Are you gonna come see me, really? Are you? Yeah.
Oh, Stretch.
Hi. Hi, boy. You're a pretty boy. You're just so pretty. You're just a baby. So you saw both the parents?
Mm-hmm.
Did you see the other puppies, pictures of them?
I didn't.
We don't care, do we? We don't even care. Yeah.
He's just a dog.
Oh my goodness. He's not going to get spoiled, is he?
Oh no, not at all.
Has he seen the other short hair? I mean, cocker on the...
She got a sniff of him for a second, but...
You biting me? You biting them my fingers? Yes. Cool.
Isn't he sweet?
He is sweet. He's a keeper. He's pretty. He's going to be gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Yes. We'll get some more in a minute. Yes.
4 little white socks.